Welcome to SolidCAM Professor. I'm Sydney, your SolidCAM Professor, with one of many videos available to you 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. We've added a new option in our pocket operation of using a pre-drilled point to ramp into the pocket. As you can see in this particular part, I've created a drilling operation for these holes over here, and in my pocket operation, I'd like to actually mill out these pockets over here, but I'd like the entry point to go through pre-existing holes without me having to choose those areas individually. If I were to go to my link, we have the option of none, which is the way it would normally come up as default, but we also have the option of vertical and helical. If I have to choose either vertical or helical, we have the drill points available to us. If I go into points, you can see at the very bottom, we have pre-drill operations. I can check either one of them or all of them, and it will use the one that's the best for each particular pocket. And then I can say also apply to all. If I click on apply to all, you'll see that all the ramping points are now moved to those holes itself. Let's take a quick look at the simulation. You'll see that the end mill will go into that hole as shown. And then when it goes to the next pocket, it'll go into that hole. And over here it has 3 holes. It chooses the one that's closest to its actual entry point. And then it'll mill out that area as well. For more videos on SolidCAM Professor, please go to our website, www.solidcam.com, and look for our Professor tab. Take care and have a nice day.